Bakit namatay yung ilaw?
That wasn't supposed to happen, was it?
Look at the painting! A while ago, we were so happy. Now, we're sad. Anong nangyayari? Jalby, bakit nawala ang kulay natin?
So it seems that the smoke had something to do with this. It took all the colors of Jollytown.
Guys, what could that black cloud be?
At last, nabago ko ng Jollytown.
I think I remember.
Ikaw ang engkantada ng kaharian ng Sonrisa.
Patitigilin ko ang inyong kasiyahan. Now, where did the black smoke go? Oh, no. Everything is gray. Huh? Oh, parang may liwanag dun ah. Oo nga, no? May ilaw nga dun. I think I know where it's coming from. Oh, the magic well, of course. I'm so happy to see your colors. Come on, guys.
Oh, wow.
There's still some color in it. This is a good sign.
Interesting.
Hey. What do you want from Jollytown? Patitigilin ko ang inyong kasiyahan. Gusto ko na walang ngingiti o tatawa sa Jollytown.
What? Hey.
No way!
But why would anyone want to do that to Jollytown?
Who would do such a thing?
Yeah.
Oh, I really wish I had my mist analyzer.
Hetty, Karina, you're back. Siya ang engkantada ng Sonrisa.
She's the one who turned Jollytown black and white and sad.
Billy, please tell us what you know.
Siya yung masungit na engkantada. Wala siyang kaibigan at parating nakasimangot at galit.
Oh, ang engkantada. How could I forget?
Kahit yung alaga niyang dragon, ayaw sa kanya, di ba?
Oh, yeah.
Bakit ba siya galit sa kasiyahan? Siguro kailangan lang niya ng kaibigan. Maybe she just needs to learn how to sing and dance like we all do.
Yeah.
Right. I wish. Sana bumalik ang saya at kulay ng Jollytown.
Uy! Ayan na naman!
Hey, maybe we can run and catch her. Popo, Yum, let's go.
Okay,
You can do it,
Yeah,
guys.
right behind you.
Take care. Be careful. I wish our painting gets fixed. Sana bumalik ang kulay natin. I wish we can practice our musical again. Sana sumaya na tayo ulit. Sana hindi na malungkot o galit ang engkantada. Look, it's Chloe. Come back, Popo. Si Popo talaga. Parating nagpapatawa. But we're glad you're back.
Hindi namin mahabol si Encantada.
Ang bilis niya.
Well, we can all wish together, right?
Tama. Baka mas mabilis ang pagbalik ng mga kulay sa Jollytown.
Yeah.
Here's my wish. I wish for Jollytown to be the happiest place it used to be. Will you join me?
I wish for Jollytown to be the happiest place it used to be.
Come on, kids! Louder!
Sige, lakasan pa natin.
At kayo rin, mga bata. Sali din kayo, ha?
I wish for Jollytown to be the happiest place it used to be. Look at all those colorful musical notes. I think the well wants us to sing.
Are you thinking what I'm thinking?
The wishing well knows best and has always helped us. I can read those musical notes. I can take the lead. Cool. I think that will work, Twirly.
I think if we all work together, we can save Jollytown and make it the happiest place it used to be.
Yeah.
Okay, everyone. What are we waiting for? Let's do it!
Woo! Is everybody ready?
Ready.
I'll start and you follow my lead. Okay? Kids, join us. Pag nabubog
think it's working, Twirly.
Yes, it is. Come on, all together now. Kay sarap, ngumiti lahat ay tumawa. May kulay ang buhay kapag masaya. Tanggalin ang iwi, huwag mag-alala. Magkakakulay ang buhay kung puso ay may ligaya.
Hey, look, everyone. The colors are slowly coming back.
Mahilig din tayo sumayaw sa Jollytown. Baka bumilis ang pagbalik ng kulay kapag sumayaw din tayo. Great idea! I'll help! I'll lead the dance!
Cool.
Yeah, go for it, Hattie!
Here we go.
When you're down and blue, the sunny skies seem to turn gray. But there's one thing I hold true. There's always a better way. Can you see
A golden sun coming into view.
for you and me?
Our happy colors
In a beautiful rainbow too. Put a smile on your face, that's a good way to start. The world's a colorful place with a song in your heart. Leave your worries behind, turn it brown upside down. Spread the love you find, 'cause life's a colorful job. Put a smile on your face, that's a good way to start. The world's a colorful place with a song in your heart. Leave your worries behind, turn it brown upside down. Spread the love you find, 'cause life's a colorful, jolly town. Yay!
Yeah!
Yay! Yay! Jollytown is in full color again.
Hooray! We did it, kids! Yoo-hoo!
Thank you, guys.
Nasaan na yung kantada? What do we do with her?
You're right, Karina. We have to make sure she doesn't turn Jollytown black and white again.
That's right.
I know. What if we invite her to play sports?
Naku, ayaw niya maglaro.
Why not?
Maybe we can try talking to her first.
Mahirap kausapin ang engkantada. Hindi siya nakikinig.
I could try to invent something. Maybe something to change her heart.
Baka yun ang kailangan natin.
I may need some of this for my special invention.
Wonder what it is.
Oh,
Yum, do you need help?
yeah, let's go to my lab. Popo, we may need your help too.
Sure thing. Say no more.
Best of luck, you guys. See you later.
Bye, kids.
See ya.
Bye.
Bye.
Oh, hey.
Come on. Hey, look, it's coming back.
Yeah.
It's coming back.
Whoa, yeah.
Alright!
Wow, that song and dance really works.
Oo nga, kasi kapag kumakanta at sumasayaw tayo, parating masaya.
That's right. Okay, Yum, what's your plan?
Well, we need to use some of this magic from the well.
Uh-huh.
Ayan. Lagay lang natin to. Yan.
Oh, para saan?
Kailangan magbago ang engkantada.
Tama. She needs to have a change of heart.
Change of heart?
That's the only way we'll be sure that Jollytown will be safe and will remain in full color.
Bakit kaya siya galit na galit sa mga kulay?
Yeah.
Di ko alam. Baka nasanay na siya sa madilim at malungkot na buhay.
At wala din siyang kaibigan.
Oh, oo nga. Kawawa naman ang engkantada. She must be really lonely, huh?
I wish she would let us be her friends.
What can we invent that will make her change?
I think she needs to learn how to be happy.
Yep, she also needs to learn how to make new friends.
How can we teach her how to be a jolly friend?
You see, if only we can share some of Jollytown's magic.
Magic?
I think you're both right. She needs to see herself as a jolly friend.
That's right.
Oh,
And 5, 6, 7, 8. And that's the dance. Yay! That's right. Good job. Hey, look. They're back. Hi.
everyone. We're back.
Any luck, guys?
Look what we got.
What's that, Young?
it's a magic mirror to help change Encantada's heart.
But that's no ordinary magic mirror. Yum used some of the magic pixie dust from the well.
Yep. I sure hope it works.
Oh, I'm sure it will.
Yeah.
Hey!
Ang Encantada! its colors again.
Bakit bumalik ang kulay ng Jolly Town? Nabago ko na ang Jolly Town, di ba? Nawala na kayo ng kulay, tawa at saya. Di ba? Di ba?
Karina! Wait! Wait! Dito sa Jolly Town, lahat kami magkakaibigan at nagtutulungan. So, palaging masaya at makulay.
Tama. Jolly Town will always be the happiest place.
That's right.
Yan ang akala ninyo. I'll never be happy. I don't want to be happy.
Why not?
Ay! Oh no! Baka wala na naman ang kulay natin.
Never again.
I don't think so.
Come on, everyone. Let's show her what Jolly Town is all about.
Yeah! Right, Jollibee? Kaya kids, sali kayo ha! Put a smile on your face, that's a good way to start. The world's a colorful place with a song in your heart.
Stop it!
Whoa.
Stop that! Stop singing and dancing!
Hey,
come on, I don't want to be happy!
Keep dancing!
Do it,
Yeah.
Singing!
Come on!
There we go! Do this! What is happening to me? Why is it working? There we go. Hey, look at me! I'm dancing! Yes, you are. How do you feel? I don't know. I feel... kakaiba to. I've never felt this before. You're right. Is this how it feels to be happy?
That's it.
Of course you're happy. You're in Jolly Town.
Yeah.
Wow! Hindi ko inakalang masaya palang sumayaw at kumanta. Mas lalong masaya kapag may kaibigan kang kasama. And you're in the perfect, happiest place. You're in Jolly Town.
Right.
Hey, here's another song for you.
Jolly Town is the place for me. We can play and learn with Jollibee.
Magsayang ngiti, umaga hanggang gabi.
Jolly Town is the happiest place to be.
Buksan ang mga mata. Nakakita ka na ba ng mundong makulay at masaya tulad ng Jolly Town? Taste the fountain of many flavors
Touch the rainbow's magic colors.
that never fade but stay forever, only in Jolly Town.
Jolly Town is the place for me. We can play and learn with Jollibee.
Magsayang ngiti, umaga hanggang gabi.
Jolly Town is the happiest place to be.
Make a wish in the wishing well
There are amazing stories to tell.
that no other place can parallel the joy of Jolly Town.
Jolly Town is the place for me. We can play and learn with Jollibee.
Magsayang ngiti, umaga hanggang gabi.
Jolly Town is the happiest place to be.
Dreams come true,
Jolly Town,
no one stays blue.
Jolly
So
Town,
I'll see
Hanggang sa lumubog ang araw sa gitna ng dalawang kwadradong bundok sa ilalim ng berdeng langit.
Ang galing mo mag-storytell, Karina.
Yeah.
Ang sarap-sarap pala ng makulay at masaya na buhay, no? Masaya kami na masaya ka na rin ngayon. Dahil sa inyong lahat, natuklasan ko kung paano maging masaya. Nung nasa Sunrisa kasi ako, wala akong kaibigan at kalaro.
Kaya dito ka na lang sa Jollytown. Marami kang kaibigan dito.
Nakakahiya naman sa inyo. Ngayon ngang nakita ko si Billy, naalala ko yung buhay ko noon. Pero marami na rin ako natutunan dito sa Jollytown. Kaya pwede na yata akong bumalik.
Talaga? But we'll miss you.
I miss all of you too. Pero I actually miss my dragon.
Yung mahilig sa mansanas?
Tama. Siya nga yung dragon ko. Kailangan ko nga mag-sorry sa kanya eh. Kasi, alam niyo ba dati, tinry talaga niya makipagkaibigan sa akin, pero sungit-sungit ko pa noon. Pero
I'm
ngayon,
sure he'll understand.
pwede ko na siyang turuang sumayaw at kumanta.
Right.
And now that you're happy, you can spread the same happiness and joy to others around you.
Oo nga, tama. Salamat sa inyo ha, Jollibee, Popo, Hetty, Turley, Yum, Karina, CJ, and all my friends here in Jollytown. Dahil sa inyo, marami akong natutunan. Friendship, acceptance, singing, dancing, and of course, having a lot of fun. At kapag masaya ka, kahit nasan ka man, parang nasa Jollytown ka. I'll remember that. Okay. I have to go.
So soon?
I'm gonna change my world na rin. Gusto ko, kasing kulay at saya dito sa Jollytown. Bye!
Alright, bye.
Miss you. Miss you.
Bye.
Bye.
Ay!
Whoa.
She's gone.
Just like that.
Bilis ah.
Whoa.
Wow, that's a good spot right there.
Give away.
You've seen a world as fun and colorful?
Yeah.
A world with lots of rainbows, colorful trees, fountain of many flavors, and goodies all around.
He said it.
And like you always say, what makes Jollytown the best are our adventures, stories, and all of our friends and neighbors.
That's right.
It would be very sad to lose all of this. I can't imagine a world without all of you.
Not a chance.
Or a world without colors.
You don't have to worry about that now.
Yeah.
Oo nga. Kumusta na kaya ang ating kaibigan na Encantada?
Kumustahin natin siya.
Yes, let's see how she is.
Come on.
May isang kaharian sa gitna ng dalawang kwadradong bundok sa ilalim ng berdeng langit.
I like that story better.
Sa tuktok ng isang bundok, may nakatirang napakasayang at napakagandang engkantada. Yes! Marami siyang kaibigan. Mahilig siyang kumanta, sumayaw, at makipagkwentuhan. Napakakulay at napakasaya ng kanyang mundo.
Oh, that's good to hear.
Hey, wow!
Ooh, it's hurt.